Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to unmute someone on Snapchat. So let's get started. So if you want to unmute someone on Snapchat, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Snapchat application. After opening up your Snapchat application, now what you have to do is just simply tap on the message icon which is on the bottom of your screen. After tapping on that, now what you can do is just select a person that you would like to mute. So I'll just simply select a person, and after selecting it, now you'll find an option which is chat and notification settings. Just simply tap on chat and notification settings and then tap on notification settings. After tapping on your notification settings, now you'll find an option which says mute chats. So now what you can do is just simply turn it on, and after turning it on, now it will ask you for how long would you like to mute this person. So just select a time limit or just simply tap on until I unmute him, and after doing that, now you have successfully muted this chat on Snapchat. So that's it guys, this is how to mute someone on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.